Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. We will be evaluating these products across different categories to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. When it comes to price, the Nuwave Brio air fryer is priced at $99. While the Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $59, both products offer great value for their respective price points. In terms of functionality and features, the Nuwave Brio air fryer offers a wide range of options. With its intuitive digital controls, you can make adjustments on the fly without needing to start the cooking process over. It also has 100 pre-programmed menu presets and additional memory slots for your own recipes. On the other hand, the Gourmia air fryer oven also offers 12 one-touch digital presets, making it versatile for various cooking needs. Both the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven allow you to enjoy crispy, delicious fried foods without the guilt. They use superheated air and efficient airflow design to cook without the need for messy oil, added fats, or extra calories. The Gourmia air fryer goes a step further with its fat removal technology, removing up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. When it comes to cleaning and maintenance, both products offer convenience. The Nuwave Brio air fryer features dishwasher-safe components, making cleanup a breeze. The Gourmia air fryer oven also allows for easy cleaning as its accessories can be put straight into the dishwasher. In terms of warranty, the Gourmia air fryer oven offers a comprehensive 1-year international warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Unfortunately, the Nuwave Brio air fryer does not have information available on its warranty. And that concludes our comparison of the Nuwave Brio air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Both products have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this video has been helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with any questions or suggestions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.